Yep. I'll be late. I feel like I look little healthy here in photo. I can't dye my hair even for a day. Kemalam bara color mo sam ye. You know, after this one metric, we have separated to our different ways, and finally, like, we managed to meet up after graduation again. So this is our food, pork barbecue. So let's enjoy. I'm not a big fan of that.
Oh my god. Something went wrong. Go back. I got.
Nang saya tengah keluar ni. Boleh. Iya.
If you look mature, it's already matured enough to we're gonna head back.